Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. It's Friday, and guess what? The market is now selling off. That ranging move is no longer actually there. It means that yes, we did actually do great by not falling for that type of ranging. Now the market is selling, and guess what? We're gonna continue with the market. We just have to follow the market. And during the day, actually during the day, 2:30, we're gonna have core CPI, which is event which actually gauges or measures the inflation. If maybe the inflation is going up or down, something like that. But we will see during the day where the inflation is going in the US, and if maybe it's still flying, then we're still gonna see the market going down. Maybe the market is already pricing to that before the event. Plus, next week there's also Federal Reserve interest decisions. Actually, that's gonna be bigger, but I don't know. I just wish that maybe things go well so that the market can recover, guys. I hope the market can recover nicely. So I hope you guys you don't have to just have this maybe FOMO, because people, just because I said the market is going down, people they will be going on the market just trying to sell everything or sell anywhere, and you end up maybe losing. So you have to have a nice method to approach the market. I hope you understand that. So for those who wants to join the team, guys, that's $100. It's 12 months straight plus the signals. So my contacts are there. So what do we see, guys? We see that we are actually on Bitcoin. So I just want to make this one very quick. Remember, on YouTube here, I also send the YouTube shorts, actually the YouTube shorts, just to update you during the day, guys. So what do we see on Bitcoin? Bitcoin is still struggling to push up, but what I like is, since the market it's here, the market is been around that area. To me, that is actually a solid support area. That is like seriously a solid support area. Maybe from there we're gonna see the market maybe breaking out of this resistance. Maybe we can start to say the crypto market now maybe it's pushing to the upside, but I think that will be controlled by the CPI and also interest rates. If things they start to ease up, obviously we will see crypto also recovering. It's time for us actually to buy some of cryptos. We understand that if maybe you're a trader, still you can also try different things, you see, because on the other side, on crypto, you can just buy and hold. There's different platforms that you can able to do that. I'm not saying go out there and just buy. Just do your research and you will find something maybe which is interesting for you. Then you can maybe buy and hold. Maybe 5 years to come, maybe it will be much better, you see. 5 years to come, it might be much better. So let's move to the next one. Whoa. On German 40, guys, hey, things are bleeding. So this is what I actually I was afraid of this type of a move here. Just to say, you know what, since the market was on a downtrend, the market was on a very, very nice downtrend. After that, we see the market breaking out, right? After that breakout, the market came, pushed up, and now we see this ranging move. And I told my people that, you see, when we see a ranging move and actually very closer to this breakout, sometimes it shows that the market is not really very strong to push the upside. So we need to relax. And it's like we took like 2 weeks straight, actually, yeah, almost 2 weeks straight, not taking any trade. Yesterday we said maybe we can have a hit and run. Guess what? It was the wrong day. Then the market is here. But what I see is, yes, the market is actually willing to go down. There's so much stuff that it's happening in the market, you see. There's so many things that are happening in the market and which are not positive. And I've been preaching about this. So I hope maybe now you see what's really happening. So in the group, yes, I will also do send the signals where I think maybe we supposed to sell. I can't just say sell because I see 2 candlesticks going down. No, I'm not going to do that. I have to get a nice structure or something that I can say, let's continue selling, you see. But what I love here is, yes, that bullish move is no longer there, guys. It's no longer there. It's just disappeared. The market is back again. Maybe somebody can say, Kenzo, why don't you push maybe this resistant line to that area? Yes, we can do that, but to me actually this was enough actually just to break this ranging move. To me it's enough. Once the market broke that, we can able to see that, we can easily see that, oh, the market is actually not interested in pushing to the upside, you see. But we can just wait and see later on what's really happening. We're still going to be here. We don't have to rush the market, by the way. So let's push the next one, which is gold. Guess what? Gold is not actually moving since yesterday, not since yesterday, since, let me see, since 19th of May, 19 May, I think it was last month. Since the market broke out there, the market started to range. This is similar to what we saw actually on NASDAQ and US30s and German 40s. The market did something like this for some time. The market just started to consolidate for a longer time, you see. And that, if you there actually, if maybe you were trying to buy or do something, yes, you were going to have some issues because the market was not really moving in a very nice way. The market was just going down. So what we expect actually is, I don't expect any, I don't know where the market will go currently, as the market is just ranging. So what I want actually is for the market to show me if maybe the market will break this resistance and to push the upside, or maybe to break this support area to go to the lower side. So the best thing that you can do in the market is to make sure that you don't really try to guess where the market is going. Let the market show you. If it's a breakout, yes, we can say maybe the market is continuing going up. We can take that. If it's going to go down, yes, it will have to break this area, and when it starts to go down, yes, we can continue with the market. But when you start to guess and say, it's a problem, guys, it starts to be a problem, and that will add your emotions on top, then we're gonna have some issues. So we don't really trade like that. Yes, that reduces a lot of risking, but also know that even if maybe you reduce that, it doesn't mean that maybe you won't have some small losses. You're still gonna have that, but it's gonna be much better than someone who doesn't actually apply those rules. So we are on US oil. What do we see on US oil? Actually, we see that the market is actually on an upside or uptrend. You can see the market is pushing to the upside, actually it is, it's an uptrend. So what do we see here? We see that yes, the market created some sort of a resistance, breakout, came back again. So I'm expecting the market to push up, but I can't send that signal already because I did send a signal yesterday in the group which was exactly around this area, but the market kept pushing lower. Now it's coming back again, but we'll see. I think the signal in the group actually is still valid. It's still valid. But what's really happening is, we can see all over the world, guys, the prices, oil prices, they are just going up, and that also affects what we see here. So I'm still expecting the market to push the upside. I can say things, maybe I can change my mind when I see the market breaking the support, this support here, and maybe trying to push the lower side and maybe breaking this one. I can say, okay, maybe things are changing, but these prices, they can still reach 170. Don't say I did not tell you. That is possible, guys. That is possible. So let's see to the next one. What's really happening? So on US30, what's really happening on US30? So we see, let me just remove this. Let me remove that so that you see nicely. What's really happening actually here is, you can see that we had that ranging move for some time now. We had that ranging move for quite some time, and I showed everyone here, the market was like on that ranging for almost 2 weeks. Guess what? It's Friday. The market just broke out of that, and which is something that I actually like, because now we're going to have decisions or a direction where we can say, okay, it means the market is now doing what? Maybe the market is now moving to what? To the downside. Because before the market actually broke here, it pushed the upside. Guess what? This ranging move here showed us something that no, maybe the market just pushed up maybe if I still remember, I told my student in the group, by the way, that sometimes when we see these quick bullish moves in this, you see the situation, everything is bad in the market, inflations are high, everything's not really actually good. Sometimes when we see those bullish moves, it's not like maybe the market recovered or something like that. That might be maybe there was some large positions of a sell. You see, people, they were shorting the stock, then they sold that stock maybe. And then when they do that, mostly you will see the market pushing up. But that doesn't mean that things are positive in the market. That's why after that, it's where we're going to see the market trying to push lower again. You see. So you should also think about that. Actually, we should think outside the box. And that way, it's how we're going to understand actually what's really happening in the market. But currently, it means that the market actually is still trying to give us that downtrend. But we just have to understand where can we draw that downtrend. I think we have to update our, I don't know if that will work or something. We have to update our trends. We have to update our trend line, which I will do actually. Actually, I will just do it after the market open. Maybe we'll start to see something else. But now, currently, now we're back on that sell. I think maybe the market might start to create that. But currently, what we can have below that area, we can say, yes, we can have something around that. Or maybe the market will have to create another structure that we can follow. But now I can say, yes, now we can actually start to sell. If the market actually, maybe if the market broke up above this area, obviously we're going to say, let's continue with that bullish move, you see. But now the market shows us that, you know what, I'm not going to the upside. You can see that. And there is news today, later on, news events actually, that is going to fuel whatever that we see here. We might see a stronger sell, or maybe the market might take another 10. It's up to for the market. So we're just waiting for the market to do that. We don't have to do anything. But currently what we see is we see the market which is willing to go to the lowest side. That's why I think we can have some sell a stop around that area, because the market is showing us the route already. The market is showing us something. Even if the market consolidates around that area, it's fine. It's pre-market, by the way. So the best way to trade is to little bit wait before the market opens. Maybe it's where we're gonna see some serious moves. But currently the market can still move, but they might not be that stronger, you see. So yeah, I hope you understand that. So let's push to NASDAQ. So even on NASDAQ, we also see the same thing. What do we see is we have a very nice structure, guys. We have a very nice structure. You can see that actually we had actually a nice downtrend which was going down. And guess what? Around this area, the market just broke out. And when we check on that breakout, after that, the market kept consolidating. I told you here on YouTube and also my people in the VIP signal that, you know what, guys, on this ranging move, we're not going to participate in that. You see, the market might be playing games with us, and we might think, oh, we're supposed to buy just because the market will be. No, we don't have to think like that. Yes, we can see easily that the market broke out here, but that doesn't give us 100% that the market will keep going up. That's why we see some sort of consolidation here, and then the market is now breaking that support area, which means actually the market is just playing games. Now we might have something like that which might continue like that. Do you see that? I think maybe that is going to happen. And what I'm hoping for now, I'm just hoping for the market to just give us maybe a nice structure. Already I think the structure is much better because the market broke out of this area. Maybe the market wants to retest here before pushing down, but currently we are saying that we're willing to do what? To sell. Here we were not willing to do anything. We wanted the market to get out of that ranging move. Now the market just moved out. We're waiting for the market. Maybe that might be a nice retest. We're just waiting for the market to do that. Then obviously we'll get in the market, you see. Yes, we did not participate much in that area, but I think yes, at least we did not really lose much around that area. Now the market is showing us where it's actually gonna go. I think this thing, I think we supposed to even have to market this area. The market might be willing to come around that area very soon, very soon. But if that doesn't happen, it's also fine. The market will just have to show us the structure, then we will just follow the structure. We don't have to guess what might happen. Anyway, thank you guys for those who wants to join the team, guys. Just know that there down there's my contacts. If maybe you want the broker that I'm using, you can see it's Xnas. There is link below that you can join. It's a very good broker, by the way, especially for those guys who wants to trade oil, NASDAQ, US30s. You can get different, there's micro accounts. I mean, micro instruments like NASDAQ, which is not really charged that much. The value is quite different. You can trade from $10. You can also trade NASDAQ, which I think is great for those who maybe don't have bigger accounts. And that's how it's that I think that way it's much better than maybe trading with something that is going to just chow your account very quickly. So if you have something that can you have an option to trade nicely without even panicking, I think it's much better. You can just deposit 100 rands or 200 and you can still trade NASDAQ, you can still trade US30 or any other pair, you see. So I think maybe you understand. There is my contact. It's $100 to join me. For those who want to join me, they know what to do. You can just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex, guys. I hope you're gonna have a very nice Friday. And yesterday we were not actually live because I was a bit busy with other things. So today I will have to go live, guys. We'll have to go live and see what's actually happening. Plus, I think sometimes we're just going to repeat the same thing because the market was not actually moving that much. Later on, before the market closes, it's where we saw the market started to move. But during the day, the market was just repeating the same thing. The market was just actually ranging. That's why I did not even think about good, but I was also very busy by that time. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.